Simple makeup tricks to make your eyes look big. Not everyone is blessed with big, beautiful eyes. Everyone has different eye shapes and all shapes are beautiful. Sometimes, you would like to do a little makeover and get a different look altogether, isn't it? For example, creating an illusion of higher cheekbones with makeup, or making your eyes look big with the right makeup technique. However, big eyes do make you look youthful and wide awake, and some women are blessed with those beautiful peepers, but most of us desire to have big, beautiful eyes. There might be instances where you have failed terribly while doing your eye makeup, like applying too much of an eyeliner, or eyeshadows, etc. Applying too much of makeup can make your eyes look dull and small. If you want your eyes to pop, then you have come to the right place. In this video, we have 10 ways with which you can make your eyes pop. So, read on and follow these steps and you will certainly get the desired result. Come, let's see what needs to be done. 1. Define your eyebrows. Eyebrows make the eyes look bright, big, and beautiful. Groomed arched brows will accentuate your eyes and make them look big. Always focus on your brows and make sure you shape them perfectly. Pluck off stray hair, and if you have thin brows, then you can fill it up by using an eyebrow pencil. Pencils work wonders if there is no time for regrowth. Always choose an eyebrow pencil color that matches your eyebrows. 2. Adios puffy eyes. The swollen skin under the eyes can make your eyes look small. So, it is very important that you do not get puffy eyes. And here's how you can say goodbye to puffy eyes. Get proper sleep. Wash your face with cold water. Exercise. Reduce salt intake. Place cucumber slices on your eyes. The vitamin C and caffeic acid in cucumber help to soothe the skin and reduce eye puffiness. 3. Apply a concealer. If you have under-eye dark circles, then you will have to cover them up with a concealer. Concealer will not make your eyes look big, but it will not draw people's attention when they are looking at you. Make sure you choose a shade that is slightly lighter and warmer than your skin tone. Blend your concealer properly underneath and around the eyes, and also over the eyelids as well. Use a makeup sponge or your fingers to blend it perfectly. 4. Neutral and light colored eyeshadow. In this step, you will need 2 shades of eyeshadows of the same color, light and dark color. Apply light colors on the areas that you want the light to reflect and dark shade on areas that you want to push back. Apply light eyeshadow on the center of your eyelids, as this will help to make your eyes look nice and big. You can opt for a shimmery eyeshadow as well. 5. Tightline the upper waterline. Use a black eyeliner to tightline your upper waterline, as this will give your eyes the appearance of fuller lashes. Tightlining the upper waterline gives a more defined look to your eyes and makes your lashes look thick and full. 6. Use minimal eyeliner. While applying an eyeliner on your lower lash line, make sure you apply it to the corner of your eyes. Take a smudger or a brush and spread it out. Now, on the eyelid, apply your eyeliner close to your lashes. This will give your eyes a more defined look and will make your eyes look big. 7. Curl your eyelashes. For beautiful, big eyes, use an eyelash curler to curl your lashes. Curlers can make a huge difference to our eyes because it creates length and volume to our eyelashes. Get the eyelash curler closer to your roots and cup the lashes. 8. Use a mascara. Mascara helps to make your eyes look big, as it increases the contrast between your lashes and your lids. Apply mascara on the upper and lower eyelashes for a more striking look. 9. Contour those creases. If you want to create an illusion of deep-set eyes, then contouring the crease will help in making your eyes appear large. Opt for a matte brown shade. Apply it on the outer corner of your crease and blend it properly. 10. Use a highlighter or a shimmer in the inner corner. When you haven't done much eye makeup, then applying a highlighter or a shimmer will actually compensate for it. This will help you get a fresh and natural look. Extra tips. Do not use excess eyeliner because this will make your eyes look smaller. You can opt for false eyelashes. Apply an eye mask and massage it around your eyes to get rid of the puffiness and to reduce dark circles. Try to avoid dark colors.